Dear viewers, how do you gain financial independence in a world where financial stability often seems like chasing a mirage in the desert? It is a subject that is dear to everyone's heart. This video will examine doable strategies to make this dream possible. There is something here for everyone, regardless of experience level or place in the market. So, let's set out on this life-changing journey and discover the secrets to financial independence together. So, what does it mean to be financially independent? Is it the freedom to travel the world, eat wherever you want, afford a tool upgrade without having to worry about running out of money? Or is it just the ability to live comfortably without the never-ending stress of living hand to mouth? For you, it may be all of the above and more. It is the ability to live life as you see fit, free from the oppressive grip of financial constraints. Setting personal goals for your financial independence is essential before you take the first step toward achieving them. To retire early, you should prioritize aggressive saving and investing strategies to accumulate a sizable nest egg. However, if you strongly desire to travel, you should concentrate on developing passive income streams, enabling you to make money while away from home. Make a plan that will inspire you and help you stay motivated by coordinating your financial endeavors with your specific goals. Therefore, give your goals some thought and allow them to direct you as you work toward financial independence. Recall that having a clear vision of your destination is the first step towards achieving freedom. Information is the real deal when it comes to financial independence. The power of knowledge will allow you to deal with the intricacies of the monetary scene effortlessly. By furnishing yourself with information and drawing on the experience of others, you can make arrangements for long-haul monetary achievement and steadiness. You must stay aware of the latest changes in monetary regulation, financial turns of events, and market patterns. This knowledge will assist you with making better choices that line up with your economic objectives and aspirations. Since the monetary field is dynamic and enormous, looking for proficient help can be very helpful. Be bold and talk with experts who can offer custom-fitted guidance regarding your particular circumstances and objectives. Whether they are an expense master, venture guides, or guaranteed monetary organizers, their experience can provide invaluable knowledge and viewpoints. Debt can pull you down and obstruct your way to financial independence. It is comparable to bearing a heavy load that prevents you from accomplishing your objectives regularly. The core of financial independence is keeping your income and expenses in check. Though some people would find the concept daunting, having direction and clarity amid daily bills is essential. Once you start keeping track of monthly expenditures, you understand what expenses are recurring and where you spend your extra money. It spotlights your spending patterns and will help you find areas to cut costs and allocate that money to investments or savings. Proactively address your debt to release yourself from its hold. Make repayment of outstanding debts your top priority. Credit card balances and other high-interest debt should come first, even if it means making other budget cuts. It would be best to put aside a major portion of your disposable income to pay off your debt. Next, see if you can negotiate a lower interest rate with your creditors. You can speak with your lenders and show them how committed you are to paying back your loans. They might frequently agree to cooperate with you to reduce your interest rates, enabling you to pay off your debts more rapidly. Additionally, make every effort to refrain from taking on new debt whenever you can. Fight the urge to borrow money for non-essential costs or to splurge on irrational purchases. Alternatively, concentrate on making ends meet and laying a solid, debt-free financial foundation. Your path to a better financial future becomes more apparent when you proactively manage and pay off your debt. As you settle debt and fulfill financial commitments, you get closer to achieving genuine financial autonomy and liberty. Thus, stop letting debt hold you back. Instead, take charge of your money and get back on the path to success. Debt can pull you down and obstruct your way to financial independence. It is comparable to bearing a heavy load that prevents you from accomplishing your objectives regularly. The core of financial independence is keeping your income and expenses in check. Though some people would find the concept daunting, having direction and clarity amid daily bills is essential. Once you start keeping track of monthly expenditures, you understand what expenses are recurring and where you spend your extra money. It spotlights your spending patterns and will help you find areas to cut costs and allocate that money to investments or savings. Proactively address your debt to release yourself from its hold. Make repayment of outstanding debts your top priority. Credit card balances and other high-interest debt should come first, even if it means making other budget cuts. It would be best to put aside a major portion of your disposable income to pay off your debt. Next, see if you can negotiate a lower interest rate with your creditors. You can speak with your lenders and show them how committed you are to paying back your loans. They might frequently agree to cooperate with you to reduce your interest rates, enabling you to pay off your debts more rapidly. Additionally, make every effort to refrain from taking on new debt whenever you can. Fight the urge to borrow money for non-essential costs or to splurge on irrational purchases. Alternatively, concentrate on making ends meet and laying a solid, debt-free financial foundation. Your path to a better financial future becomes more apparent when you proactively manage and pay off your debt. As you settle debt and fulfill financial commitments, you get closer to achieving genuine financial autonomy and liberty. Thus, stop letting debt hold you back. Instead, take charge of your money and get back on the path to success. Building a monetary safety net is fundamental to accomplishing financial independence. It's like establishing a solid starting point for your monetary home to prepare you for anything life brings. Laying out a backup stash is the earliest move toward building this financial cushion. If there should be an occurrence of an unexpected cost, for example, vehicle fixes, health-related crises, or employment shortfall, you will have a security net in this asset. Automating your investment funds and setting up a rainy day account is smart. Set up repeating month-to-month transfers from your main account to your savings account. By setting up your reserve funds to be consequently deducted from your pay, you keep away from the impulse to spend the cash and ensure that you progressively increment your financial cushion. The temptation to live a more abundant lifestyle increases as your income rises. Budgeting will help you greatly in this regard since you will be mindful of your spending patterns. Give careful consumption priority over giving in to lifestyle inflation and avoid pointless purchases. Consider your needs and wants carefully, distinguishing between necessities and unnecessary indulgences. You can make sure that your hard-earned money goes toward things that improve your life by taking a more thoughtful approach to spending. One cannot foresee the future, but vigilance can help mitigate risks. Be mindful that disease, accident, or natural disaster can happen at any time. If you have adequate insurance coverage for the unforeseen circumstances of life, you can achieve your goal of financial independence while having freedom of mind. The only catch is your payment to the insurance companies from your revenue stream. The most significant income-boosting strategy is to invest in oneself. You set yourself up for long-term success and higher-paying opportunities by consistently investing in your professional and personal growth. Actively seek out professional development opportunities in the career path you have chosen. Pursuing classes, visiting workshops, or getting certified will assist you with acquiring new abilities and increment your allure. If you are unsatisfied with your current career or are waiting for future growth, investigate substitute career choices that match your inclinations and range of abilities. If you have an idea that could increase your revenue stream, research its viability. There is no better financial freedom than being your boss. It is a game changer that will spur the growth of your bank balance. Have a look at the market around you. What are the needs or wants of people that you can address by providing items or services? If you have an aptitude for clothes, you can always buy stock from wholesale and market it to relevant customers. You can start a business in the services category if you have a unique skill set that would provide services to different clients. The possibilities are endless in entrepreneurship if only one has a daring heart to venture. Depending exclusively upon one type of income has significant dangers. Augmenting your types of revenue can expand your general buying power and act as a monetary safety net. Remember that your financial independence is only one of the targets. The other is a long-haul, consistent development. You set yourself in a situation to find more economic stability and harmony of the psyche by proactively making a financial cushion. With a solid monetary establishment, you can unhesitatingly deal with life's promising and less promising times, whether making the most of new open doors or enduring unexpected tempests. Investing time and money in opportunities that keep on generating revenue is one good way to achieve financial independence. You can create an online blog or a YouTube channel to give you passive income over time. Though they require constant effort, blogs or vlogs are the most reliable online revenue-generating streams. You can also make online courses or ebooks on the topics on which you are an expert. They require a one-time effort, but generate revenue over time as people recommend your lessons to others. Or use your mobile phone and take advantage of its camera. Make photos or videos of your surroundings and sell them as stock footage online. There are numerous ways to create content for sale online, so don't shy away from the internet. You could buy shares in companies or pooled investments and receive a dividend of profit, or buy saving bonds that return a fixed profit per annum. One of the most lucrative and time-tested avenues for building wealth is investment in real estate. If you don't own a property to rent out, consider investing in businesses that manage real estate. The profit on rentals they share will remove stagnation from your savings and generate a steady revenue stream. You can improve your quality of life and protect your financial future by making deliberate decisions, prioritizing your health and well-being. Your health is your most valuable asset and the foundation of your overall well-being. For this reason, it is crucial to prioritize your physical and mental health. Commit to a healthy lifestyle by making time for regular exercise, a balanced diet, and enough sleep daily. Be aware of lifestyle choices that may eventually hurt your finances and health. Steer clear of excessive alcohol, cigarette, or other drug use, because these habits not only put your health at risk, but also cost a lot of money in the long run. It is essential to understand that achieving financial independence is a journey, not a destination. Once you have a path and set your goals, you must stay disciplined and persistent. You might have to adapt your strategies as situations evolve. Keep working diligently and don't let despair reach you. By implementing our strategies, you can gain financial independence and create a future with limitless possibilities. Remember to share your feelings if you liked our video. Please share your views in the comment section and share this video with your friends.